Hey, John here, Emerald Hollow Mine. I'm just doing a quick recap here to update the progress of where I'm at. And I've been pulling out huge chunks of quartz, and I have them lined up. And then that's the latest one here. I want to move it over to the other side too, but it's a bit swampy. It rained again. When this gets cleared off, you're going to be able to see Mike in it, and even the lines where it was up against the schist. Pretty cool. Anyway, we got a lot of rain, so it's made things quite swampy and treacherous. So as I work my way up here, there are just piles and piles of quartz. I've been throwing quartz all day long. That was the last big piece that I removed, and then it seemed to be more broken up lately. And the bigger pieces I got today were like this. There's still one in there, and it still goes back from here all the way over to here. And I'm getting some facing. And I'm starting to see a few little points. So that's encouraging. And I actually did find one little point that dropped right down in my lap. I got something else cool to show. I see he's trying to run away. This is a caterpillar, alright? And when you get close to it, you see it's a caterpillar. There's a front. But when you get the top view of it, you got these big eyes. Makes it look like a snake. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, well, I'm going to let him go. Probably turn into Mothra and come after me. So, that's it for now.